Hey everyone, welcome back again to another tutorial on this channel. The topic for today's video is about the outgoing messages, and more specifically, how can you stop a message that has already been sent? So there are a few options on what you can do in the recent versions of the iPhone operating system. Because Apple has added the ability to unsend messages through iMessage, you can easily try it out, just send someone a message and them immediately hold down on it, and one option will be to unsend the message. It's good because you have a few minutes after you sent it to change your mind, and the other side will simply not see the message anymore. After like an hour or the next day, the unsending option will no longer be there, so be quick. They will also see the little text there saying you performed the unsending action, so it's not like you can completely hide what you did, but it's still a good feature. An alternative to this is just to very quickly disconnect your phone directly after you sent the message. It means that you perhaps accidentally clicked the send button, and while the loading bar is still loading at the top, you could be really quick and turn on the airplane mode, which will disconnect you from the internet as well as from the carrier network. But as I say, it's got to be quick, and it doesn't ensure that you'll be successful, but it's worth trying out, or at least to keep in the back of the mind just in case you'll need it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Let me know below what you think about it. Leave a comment saying if you managed to get it to work, or even if you didn't, tell me about it as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.